Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shazia Zahir, the English teacher in the Educator Farooq class campus. Before we start our class, we must, for the holy verses, Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, student, we have completed our midterm. Now we are starting our final term. Today is 3rd December, Thursday. This is my first lecture of class 6. Before I start my lecture, I will share a story with you. The story is about a person named Robinson Crusoe. He was having a trip in a ship. The ship was wreckage. He found the crew and the captain drowned in the sea. When he was alone, he was searching a place to live. He found a cave and started living in that, where he found a woman to share his loneliness. After that, they started living happily, but they found something to eat. Unfortunately, they were eating the lizard, the toasted lizard, and these kind of nonsense things. They started making a garden for planting. They plant some vegetables, some fruits to eat, and they were very happy by this. They used to wear some clothes of furry. After that they find some goat, cat, and a dog, and they were spending a happy life. This story tells us about the survivor, that how a person can be alone and how can he spend his life thoroughly. Yes, student, the story which I have told you related this. We have a poem in our reading circle, chapter number 10, Robinson Crusoe. Well, now students, take out your reading circle book, chapter number 10, Robinson Crusoe story. Let's read. Before we start reading, we must know that we must write down the words, difficult words meaning. If you have the place here, it's okay. If you don't have the place, you can use any clean area and write down the number and write down its meaning, like I'm telling you. The night was thick and hazy. Hazy, number 1, you can write here, and the meaning of hazy is dim, like this. When the Piccadilly is daisy. Word number 2, meaning ship. Carried down the crew. Crew, number 3, the meaning group of people. Like this, you can write the meaning. And the captain in the sea. And I think the water drowned them. Apostrophe EM is a contraction and its full form is them. Word number 4, THEM, them. For they never found them. It is repeating again. And I know they didn't come ashore with me. Ashore, word number 5, the meaning bank. Got it? So the night was thick and dim, and Piccadilly Daisy is a ship in which the Robinson Crusoe was having a trip with the crew and the captain on the sea. Suddenly the ship wrecked, and the crew and the captain was drawn by the sea. And only the Robinson Crusoe was left alone on the shore. This is the stanza explanation of number 1. Okay. What is the reference of this stanza? This stanza has been taken from your reading circle, chapter number 10. The poem name is Robinson Crusoe. The poet is This is your first stanza, and you will do the stanza explanation, which I will explain in the end. With the reference, you will write it down. Reference is, this stanza has been taken from your reading circle, chapter number 10. The poem name is Robinson Crusoe, and the poet is Charles Edward Carroll. Page number 91. Now come to the second stanza. Let's see what the second stanza is telling. Oh! Exclamatory marks. That was. This is apostrophe T is a short which I have explained you in the dam. This was very sad and lonely. When I found myself the only, means the Robinson Crusoe found himself alone. Population on this cultivated shore. But I have. The other contraction is I have. I've made a little tavern. Tavern means inn. Inn is a place for a limited time period to stay in a rocky little cavern, and I sit and watch for people at the door. This is full stop. The first full stop was at the me, and it was the first stanza. Now the second stanza starts from the O and it is ending on the next full stop. It is the second stanza. Got it, students? You will learn the two stanza. It means that the second stanza is telling us about the loneliness of Robinson Crusoe and what he found. He found himself alone in the shore, and he was having an inn was tavern, in which he was having the rocky little cavern in that. In the second stanza, you will learn about it. And now after that, you will explain second stanza with the. Yes, student, we have learned the two stanzas of the poem Robinson Crusoe. Now what you have to do, you have to come for the copy working. The copy working is first of all the most important thing. You have to make the final term pointer. The final term pointer is written. Homework is written here. Term pointer, after that the title of chapter number 10 Robinson Crusoe. Then you will do the writing obviously. The writing should be very neat and clean and drawing. The next is your stanza explanation. You know very well that you will first do the stanza number 1 explanation, then stanza number 2 explanation. The two stanza you have learned, it means that you need to do the two stanzas explanation with the reference. First you will write down the heading of reference and write down the that this poem has been taken from the reading circle, chapter number 10. The writer of the poet is Robinson Crusoe. After that, you will write down the heading of explanation and then write its explanation. After completing the stanza explanation, in our Zoom classes, inshallah, we will complete its comprehension. Allah Hafiz.